A very good morning to you girls. This is Mrs. Seema Parkhe. Let's begin with problem set 4. Read the numbers and write them in words. So let's take the first number. So look at the following number. The number is 2579899. What if I write this number in words as 2579899? Will it be correct? No. The number has to be written in the following way in words. Let's give the places. 9 is in the units place. 9 is in the tens place. 8 is in the hundreds place. 9 in the thousands place. 7 in 10,000s place. 5 in the lakhs place. And we have 2 in 10 lakhs place. So, before writing this number in words, we have to break this number into 4 different parts. So, let's take units and tens place together, hundreds place, we take thousands and 10,000s place together, and lakhs and 10 lakhs place together. So, we have 25 lakhs, 79,899. So this method will be easy for you to write the numbers in words. Assuming that you know the number names, we'll continue with the second sum. So the next number here is 3070506. So first, let's give the places to this number. We have 6 in the units place, 0 in the tens place, 5 in the hundreds place, 0 in thousands place, 7 in 10,000s place, 0 in the lakhs place, and 3 in the 10 lakhs place. As we did for the previous number, we are going to break this number into 4 different parts. So we take tens and units together, hundreds place, then we have 10,000s and thousands placed together, and 10 lakhs and lakhs placed together. Break this number into 4 different parts. So it becomes easy for us to write them in words. So now the number is written as 30 lakhs 70,506. We move on to the next number. We have 4571504. 4 in the units place, 0 in the tens place, 5 in the hundreds place, thousands place we have 1, 10,000s place 7, 5 in the lakhs place, and 4 in the 10 lakhs place. So again we are going to break this number into 4 different parts. Tens and units placed together, hundreds place, thousands and 10,000s together, lakhs and 10 lakhs together. So let's see how do we write this number in words. 45 lakhs 71,504. I hope it is clear to you girls. So let's move to the next number. Here we have 0 in the units place, 0 in the tens place, hundreds place we have 9, thousands place we have 9, 10,000s place we have 0, lakhs place 1, and 10 lakhs place 2. So let's break this number into 4 different parts. Units and tens together, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s together, lakhs and 10 lakhs together. So we write this number in words as 21 lakhs 9,900. I hope this is clear to you. See that you copy these sums in your classwork notebook. So now let's continue with the fifth sum. We have 4 in the units place, 5 in tens place, 8 in the hundreds place, 7 in thousands place, 0 in 10,000s place, 3 in lakhs place, and 4 in 10 lakhs place. So let's break this number into 4 different parts. Tens and units together, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s together, 10 lakhs and lakhs together. So we write this number in words as 43 lakhs 7,854. Let's move on to the next sum. If you see this number, we have 0 in the units place, 0 in the tens place, hundreds place we have 0, 0 again in the thousands place, 10,000s place also we have 0, lakhs place 0, and 10 lakhs place we have 5. So we write this number as 50 lakhs. I hope by now it is clear to you. We go to the seventh sum. 0 in the units place, tens place 0, hundreds place 0, thousands place we have 0, 10,000 also we have 0, lakhs place we have 0, and in the 10 lakhs place we have 6. So we bring 10 and units place together, hundreds place, 1,000 and 10,000s place, and lakhs and 10 lakhs place. So it is very easy for us to write this number in words. It is 60 lakhs. Next number. So how do we write this number now, girls? Break this number into 4 different parts? Yes. And the number is 70 lakhs. Here in this number, we have 0 in the units place, 0 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, thousands place we have 1, 10,000s place 0, lakhs place 0, and 10 lakhs place we have 8. So let's break this number into 4 different parts. 10 and units together, 100 to hundreds, then we have thousands and 10,000s together, lakhs and 10 lakhs together. So how do we write this number in words? 80 lakhs and 1,000. Let's move on to the next sum. We have 0 in the units place, 0 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, thousands place 0, 10,000s place we have 1, lakhs place we have 0, and 10 lakhs place we have 9. So again in this number, tens and units together, hundreds, then we have thousands and 10,000 together, and lakhs and 10 lakhs together. So we write this number as 90 lakhs and 10,000. 11th sum. In this number, we see we have units place 0, tens place 0, hundreds place 0, thousands place we have 0, 10,000s place we have 0, in lakhs place we have 1, and in 10 lakhs place we have 9. So we break this number into 4 different parts. Units tens together, hundreds place, 1,000, 10,000 place together, lakhs and 10 lakhs place together. So the number goes as 91 lakhs. The last sum. Now let's see. 9 is in the units place, 9 is in the tens place, hundreds place we have 9, thousands place we have 9, 10,000s place we have 9, lakhs place we have 9, and also 10 lakhs place we have 9. Let's break this number into 4 different parts. Units and tens together, hundreds place, thousands and 10,000 together, lakhs and 10 lakhs together. So the number goes as 99 lakhs 99,999. Hope this all sums are clear to you. Hope you have understood them well. See that you copy all these sums in your classwork book. Now let's begin with the second question. Given below are the deposits made in the Women's Cooperative Credit Societies of some districts. Read those figures. We are asked to read the figures. It is 94 lakhs 29,408. For you, I have written them in words as well. In the next district, Nasik 61 lakhs 7,187. Next. Nagpur 46 lakhs 53,570.